Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi chicken full guide. Gather boneless chicken, short grain rice, nori, rice vinegar, soy, and fillings, then set up a clean rolling station. Rinse rice until water runs clear, then cook it with the right water ratio. Season the hot rice and let it cool to body temperature. Cook and slice the chicken, prepare fillings, and practice. Mastering the rice is the heart of sushi chicken, so take your time and be gentle. Rinse the short grain rice thoroughly, then cook it using the right water ratio that suits your pot or rice cooker. While it is hot, fold in rice vinegar, a little sugar, and salt, then fan the rice to help it cool to body temperature and develop a glossy finish ready for rolling. Assembling rolls is a simple rhythm once you practice a few times, so don't worry about perfection. Spread an even rice layer on nori, leaving a 1-inch border, then add chicken and fillings in a straight line. Roll with a bamboo mat, press gently to seal, and wipe your knife between cuts for neat slices. Serve with soy, pickled ginger, and a little wasabi if you like a kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.